The 2025 Mercury Monterey is here, and it's ready to make a statement. With a perfect blend of classic styling and modern innovation, this sedan brings back the essence of Mercury while offering cutting-edge technology and performance. Right away, the front fascia demands attention with its bold grille, inspired by Mercury's legacy, featuring intricate chrome detailing that adds a touch of sophistication. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights with adaptive technology, ensuring maximum visibility while complementing the Monterey's streamlined appearance. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the windshield, enhancing the car's aerodynamic efficiency and creating a silhouette that exudes confidence on the road. Moving along the sides, the Monterey showcases a dynamic character line that runs from the front fender to the rear, adding a sense of motion even when standing still. The chrome window trim and body-colored side mirrors with integrated turn signals enhance the premium feel, while the 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels provide both aesthetic appeal and performance capability. The gently sloping roofline leads to a well-proportioned rear end, where full-width LED taillights create a striking visual signature. Dual-chrome exhaust tips hint at the power beneath the hood, while the sculpted bumper adds to the car's athletic stance. Stepping inside, the Monterey welcomes you with an interior designed to elevate every drive. High-quality materials, including soft-touch leather, genuine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents, create an atmosphere of refined luxury. The dashboard features a seamless design with a massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and Mercury's latest voice-activated assistant. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides real-time data with customizable displays, ensuring drivers have all the information they need at a glance. Comfort is a top priority in the Monterey, with ergonomically designed seats that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions in higher trims. The spacious cabin ensures that both front and rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, while the available panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light. Ambient lighting allows drivers to set the mood with a range of customizable colors, creating an inviting environment for night drives. The rear seats are equally accommodating, featuring reclining functionality and a center armrest with built-in cup holders and charging ports. Advanced sound insulation ensures a whisper-quiet ride, allowing occupants to fully enjoy the premium audio system that delivers concert-quality sound throughout the cabin. Under the hood, the Monterey offers a choice of two powerful yet efficient engines, catering to a variety of driving preferences. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 produces 250 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. For those seeking more exhilarating performance, the optional 3.0-liter V6 generates an impressive 350 horsepower, making highway merging and spirited driving a breeze. Both engines are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless shifts and optimized power delivery. The optional all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, ensuring confident handling in various weather conditions. Driving dynamics are further enhanced by a finely tuned suspension system that balances comfort and agility. Whether navigating city streets or tackling winding country roads, the Monterey delivers a composed and engaging experience behind the wheel. The electronic power steering system offers precise control, while adaptive dampers and higher trims adjust to changing road conditions for a smooth and responsive ride. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, provide an extra layer of safety, making every journey more secure. Technology plays a crucial role in the Monterey, with an array of smart features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless smartphone integration, while the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot keeps passengers connected on the go. The head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. A surround view camera system provides a 360-degree perspective, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The Monterey also includes a remote start system with climate control, ensuring the cabin is always at the perfect temperature before you even step inside. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Mercury Monterey offers exceptional value for a luxury sedan. The base classic trim starts at approximately $35,000, providing an impressive list of standard features, including the digital instrument cluster, premium upholstery, and a suite of advanced safety technologies. The mid-level Premier trim, priced at around $42,000, adds ventilated seats, a premium audio system, and upgraded driver assistance features. For those who desire the pinnacle of luxury and performance, the top-tier Elite trim is available for $50,000,